Well, coming to day 3 of the Nature Aligned Self-Care series for entrepreneurs and professionals, today let's talk about emotional self-care. And yes, I do know you're handling teams, making decisions, but for a fact, I think when it comes to your own emotions, you push it aside. Isn't that right? And let me remind you of something important. When emotions do come in, they are signals and not distractions. Signals tell you what needs attention, what needs care, and what needs to be addressed. And we've been trained to push aside the stress, just push through and suppress our emotions and just go ahead with the task ahead. But emotional well-being doesn't come from control. It comes from being aware and consciously working on your emotions. So where can you begin? Start by recognizing what you feel and not what you should feel. It is about what you actually feel. And just pause and acknowledge it. And there's no need to judge. There's no need to fix. There's no need to rush into anything. Just pause and acknowledge the feeling that you're going through. And accept your emotions and feelings. Do not resist them. And most importantly, be kind to yourself. Kindness and compassion starts with us. And give that kindness as you would give to a friend. And you could start with simple practices in your daily routines. Firstly, create boundaries, personal and professional. Take short breaks during the day where you're just by yourself. And if needed, you could go to therapy or counseling. You could journal your thoughts. And you could always talk to someone you trust. And taking care of your emotions is not weakness. It is the best thing that you could do for yourself is to be aware about your emotions, your thoughts, your feelings, and be a conscious leader. And once again, nature teaches us to how to do this beautifully. Earth, by grounding ourselves and acknowledging our emotions and thoughts. And with water element, it's about letting your emotions flow and not suppressing it, not pushing it aside, but just flowing with it and through it. With the fire element, you can always transform what you're feeling into your strength. And with the air element, it's again calming down by doing some breath work. And the space element gives you ample room to heal, to take your time and just process things. So when your emotions align with nature, you respond with clarity, empathy, and balance. So here is your simple challenge. So today, move your body for 20 minutes. Take 15 minutes to reset your mind. And spend 10 minutes reflecting on your emotions and feelings. If you're done with this, comment day 3 done. And please do share, subscribe, and follow this Nature Aligned Self-Care series.